This instructional video shows how to clean and maintain the beauty of your custom finish on true residential and caliber products. Warning: allow surface to completely cool prior to application. Applying to a hot surface may cause burn injuries and damage the product's finish. Kit components used in this video: microfiber towel, true non-abrasive surface cleaner. To reorder surface cleaner and microfiber towels, call True Parts at 800-325-6152. Spray fine mist onto one panel or section at a time. For best results, wipe in one continuous motion from top to bottom or left to right. Flip the towel over and wipe again for a streak-free shine. Do not wipe back and forth. This can leave micro scratches in the finish. Repeat steps 1 through 3 for the remainder of the cabinet. Because the towel has superior dust lifting and trapping properties, frequent washing is recommended. The microfiber towel is machine washable and dryer safe. Do not use fabric softener or dryer sheets on the microfiber towel.